Archaeologists on Tuesday found skeletal remains of over more than 240 people, including about 100 children, from beneath a former department store in Pembrokeshire in Wales, UK, among the remnants of a medieval priory, according to reports. The hugely significant discovery was made under the old Ocky building in Haverfordwest. In a hugely significant discovery under a former Ocky store that offers a window into medieval Haverfordwest, archaeologists believe that they have unearthed remains from St. Saviour's Priory, founded by a Dominican order of monks in about 1256, according to a BBC report. With about half of the remains being those of children, experts have noted that it is a reflection of the high mortality rates in the past. Some of the skeletons also showed violent injuries. According to Dyfed Archaeological Trust site supervisor Andrew Shobrook, some of the remains were found with head injuries consistent with having been in battle and wounds that could have been caused by arrows or musket balls. He suggested that some of the deceased could have been victims of a siege carried out on Haverfordwest in 1405 by French and Welsh rebels. The significant presence of child remains could be due to high child mortality rates at that time. The remains are due to be analysed by experts before being reburied on consecrated grounds nearby. One theory is that the victims could date from an attack led by Owain Glyndwr, who was the last native Welsh person to hold the title Prince of Wales. It was a joint assault by Welsh and French forces who had united to battle English occupation of Wales. We know that the town was besieged in 1405 by Owain Glyndwr, and they could have been victims of that conflict, said Mr. Shobrook. The remains and other finds, including tiles, are being stored at a nearby disused shop after being cleaned and dried. Ocky was a popular store for more than a century before its riverside premises closed in 2013.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.